There you go. I'll even get off the bike for this one. All right, check it out. Check it out. I mean, that is just amazing. If this camera had a zoom button, you guys would really get the feel of it. Oh, somebody else from Florida. You all need to feel honored because I don't typically pull off, but yeah, I'm telling you right now, if you're in the Murphy, North Carolina area and you want to hit the Blue Ridge Parkway, I'll be happy to come up here with you. I'm more than willing to lead you in a moderate ride, a moderate paced ride, a spirited ride. And I'll even pull off at overlooks so you can get some pictures. Just hit me up. If you're riding a Harley though, if you're riding a Harley, feel free not to contact me. You might not enjoy my moderate pace. And if you're on a sport bike and all you want to do is rip, dumbest word ever, let's go rip, come on, let's rip.
Hey.
Yeah, you don't have to contact me, because I am not going to come up on the Blue Ridge Parkway and run through here as fast as I can. This is one of those roads you just want to get out and just ride it and just enjoy the scenery and the turns combined together. It loses its majesty once you start racing through here as fast as you possibly can. It kind of ruins it. And it's really not polite for the people who are up here sightseeing and enjoying, you know, the country, enjoying the countryside. And I know a lot of people have some kind of entitlement. They think they should be able to do whatever they want, but once in a while it's okay to think about others. Maybe consider riding the Blue Ridge Parkway as doing a random act of kindness. Instead of racing through here, on your motorcycle with no mufflers. Maybe put your silencer on this one time and come up here and just see what the Blue Ridge Parkway is actually about. Because I'm here to tell you, it's beautiful. It's definitely a road that you have to experience once in your life. Now, I'm not saying you should run it from Cherokee all the way to Washington, D.C., but at least from Cherokee to Asheville and back. If you hit the Parkway at certain times of the year, there's actually wild blueberries and blackberries.